Hey everyone, Kyler with Torklift here at the Airstream of Spokane. We have the brand new Torklift GlowStep system for Airstream. Check out how this works. This GlowStep Revolution is compatible with Airstream trailers that have that factory fold-out aluminum two-step. These steps feature an earth-to-RV connection, eliminating shaky setups and unsafe bouncing. They're also made out of 100% aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel. Equipped with a completely adjustable, all-terrain landing gear to accommodate any terrain. And don't forget your boot brush to clean off those shoes. Let's get into the install. First, remove the screws that are securing your Airstream step access panels. You can find these to the left and right of your step compartment. If your Airstream does not come with pre-installed access panels, 4-inch access holes will need to be created in the aluminum skirting under the trailer, directly to the left and right of the step brackets. The edges of the holes can be sharp. Carefully file or deburr the access edges before inserting your hands. With an Allen head wrench or socket, reach through the access holes and remove the shoulder bolts that pass through the step bracket slots and thread them into the factory step linkage. Remove the factory step assembly and set aside. Remove the step latching bar by removing the bolt and spring on each side. Hold the new GlowSteps in place between the factory step brackets and mount it with 2 Allen head cap screws facing outward and flat washers and locking nuts on the outside of the factory step brackets. Once your new factory step is bolted into place, insert the supplied decorative trim pieces into the left and right side of your step compartment. The trim pieces come with adhesive, but you'll also want to create 2 small holes in the underside of your Airstream skirting to place 4 retainer clips. Congratulations, your step install is complete. For any questions, call us at 800-246-8132.